Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Arun and today we are diving into one of the most popular HR solutions in the SAP ecosystem, that is SAP SuccessFactors. If you are new to this channel, I make SAP concepts super simple for students and professionals who want to learn SAP without all the technical jargon. So grab your coffee and let's get started. What is SAP SuccessFactors? Think of SAP SuccessFactors as your company's digital HR department that lives in the cloud. It's a comprehensive human capital management solution that helps organizations manage their entire workforce from the moment someone applies for a job until they retire or leave the company. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you work for a global company with 10,000 employees spread across 20 countries. Without SuccessFactors, your HR team would be drowning in paperwork, tracking employee records, managing payroll for different countries, handling performance reviews, and trying to figure out who needs training. It would be chaos, right? With SuccessFactors, all of this becomes streamlined. When a new employee joins in Germany, their information automatically flows to payroll, their manager gets notified about onboarding tasks, and the system even suggests relevant training courses based on their role. It's like having a super smart HR assistant that never sleeps. Now let's take a look at the main SuccessFactors modules. SuccessFactors isn't just one big application. It's actually made up of different modules that work together like pieces of a puzzle. Let's break them down in a way that makes sense. Firstly, let's take a look at core HR and payroll. This is the foundation of everything. Think of it as the employee database on steroids. Employee Central is the heart of this module. It's where all your basic employee information lives. Things like personal details that consists of name, address, phone number, and job information, which includes details like position, department, salary, organizational structure, which highlights who reports to whom, time and attendance tracking, and then benefits administration. Then there is Employee Central Payroll that handles all the complex payroll calculations. What makes this special is that it can handle payroll for multiple countries with different tax laws and regulations. So if your company has employees in the US, Germany, and Japan, the system knows exactly how to calculate taxes and deductions for each location. Here's a real-world example. Let's say there's a person called Dinesh from your Mumbai office takes a sick leave. He logs into the system, requests sick leave, his manager approves it with one click, and the system automatically adjusts his pay and tracks his remaining sick days. No paperwork, no back and forth emails are required. Secondly, talent management. This is where the magic happens for employee development and growth. The talent management suite includes several key areas, like recruiting, that helps you find and hire the best people. Instead of posting jobs on multiple websites manually, you can post once and it goes everywhere automatically. The system also helps you track candidates, schedule interviews, and even suggest the best candidates based on your requirements or roles and descriptions. Onboarding. Onboarding makes sure new employees have a smooth first day and beyond. Remember how stressful your first day at work was? With SuccessFactors, new hires get automated welcome emails, pre-filled paperwork, and a clear checklist of what they need to do and what they need to complete on a day-to-day basis. Performance and goals. It connects individual employee goals to company objectives. Think of it like a GPS for career development. It shows employees exactly what they need to achieve and how their work contributes to the bigger picture of the organization. Learning. Learning is like having a personal training catalog for every employee. The system can recommend courses based on an employee's role, career aspirations, or skills gap. It's like Netflix, but for professional development. Succession and development. Succession and development helps companies prepare for the future by identifying high potential employees and creating development plans for them. It answers questions like, who could replace our sales manager if she gets promoted? Or which employees are ready for leadership roles? Compensation. Compensation streamlines how companies manage salaries, bonuses, and other rewards. Instead of using spreadsheets that are prone to errors, managers can make compensation decisions based on performance data and budget constraints. Then there is workforce analytics and planning. This module turns your HR data into actionable insights. It's like having a crystal ball for your workforce. The system provides over 2000 predefined HR metrics. You can quickly answer questions like, what's our employee turnover rate by department? Which locations have the highest employee satisfaction? Are we hiring fast enough to meet our growth targets? Or what skills do we need to develop in our workforce? The interactive dashboards make it easy for managers and HR leaders to spot trends and make data-driven decisions. For example, if the system shows that your engineering team has a high turnover rate, you can investigate and take action before it becomes a bigger problem. Then there is employee experience management. This is about creating a workplace where employees actually want to work. It includes tools for work zone. Think of this as a Facebook for your organization. It's a personalized digital workspace where employees can access everything they need in one place: their applications, company news, collaboration tools, and learning resources. Then there is employee listening and feedback. This system can automatically send surveys to employees at key moments, like after their first 30 days at work or before they leave the company. This helps organizations understand what's working and what needs improvement. Last but not least, SuccessFactors also offers a personal AI assistant called SAP Juul. SAP Juul has been revolutionizing how users interact with SuccessFactors. Think of Juul as your personal HR assistant that never sleeps and knows everything about your company's HR processes. It's not just another chatbot, it's deeply integrated into SuccessFactors and understands your business context, your role, and what you're trying to accomplish. What makes Juul special? Juul works in 3 different ways, and this is really important to understand. Transactional use cases. This is where Juul actually does things for you without you having to navigate through multiple screens. For example, you can simply say, I want to request feedback from my manager, and Juul will collect your questions and send the request directly to your manager. Or if you are a manager, you can say, approve John's time off request, and Juul handles it right there in the chat. Navigational use cases. When you're lost in the system and don't know where to find something, Juul becomes your GPS. Say you need to know where to assign team goals. Juul will provide a direct link to the exact page you need. It's like having an expert user sitting next to you, guiding you through the SuccessFactors system. And then informational use cases. This is where Juul becomes really powerful. It can search through your company's HR policies, user guides, and documentation to answer your questions. Instead of calling HR or digging through policy documents, you can ask Juul, what's our remote work policy, for example, and it will give you a summary plus links to the actual documents. Let's take a look at some of the real examples of what you can do with Juul. You can say, show me my leave balance. Juul pulls up your current time off status instantly. Then you can say, generate compensation insights for Sarah. If you're a manager, Juul can create talking points for salary discussions. Create a spot award for my team member. Juul can then handle the entire recognition process. You can ask, what are the company's travel policies? Juul will search internal documents and give you the summary. Clock in for today, which means Juul can handle time tracking without opening multiple screens. Juul has various advantages as well. For example, the mobile experience. Juul is now available in the SuccessFactors mobile apps. You can literally use Siri on your iPhone to ask Juul questions. Just say, hey Siri, ask Juul in SAP SuccessFactors, and then ask your questions. It's like having HR support in your pocket. The AI-powered features. Beyond just answering questions, Juul uses generative AI to help with more complex tasks. For instance, in the learning module, Juul can automatically recommend training content based on your strengths and weaknesses. In recruiting, it can generate specific interview questions tailored to each job opening. It can integrate with other systems. What makes Juul even more powerful is it integrates with Microsoft 365. Juul can work with Microsoft Copilot to analyze everyone's Outlook calendars, find suitable meeting times, and even pull expenses information from SAP Concur, all through natural language conversation. And why this matters for your career? Understanding Juul isn't just nice to have knowledge anymore. It's becoming essential. Companies implementing SuccessFactors are increasingly relying on Juul to improve user adoption and reduce training time. If you know how to work with Juul or how to configure Juul effectively, you will be much more valuable in the job market. How to learn SAP SuccessFactors for free. Now here's the part you've all been waiting for. How can you learn SuccessFactors without spending a fortune? The best resource is the SAP Learning Hub. While SAP Learning Hub has premium subscriptions, there are plenty of free resources available. Here are the key free learning paths you should check out. When starting to learn SAP SuccessFactors, I would suggest you to first check out the introductory courses. There is a course called Exploring SAP SuccessFactors Platform that will give you an overview of the basic configurations of SuccessFactors. This course is available for free and takes about 40 hours to complete. Once you have completed it, I would suggest you to go through the learning modules of each module one by one, or pick and choose the SuccessFactors module that you are most interested in learning. For example, if you are mostly interested in the recruitment module, then search for SuccessFactors Recruitment in the search bar, and it will list all the learning materials that are available for recruitment. You can also adjust the filters accordingly to suit your needs. The great thing about these learning journeys is that they are self-paced. Most of them also offers digital badges that you can add to your LinkedIn profile when you complete them. There are other free resources available as well, like SAP Community. This is where SAP SuccessFactors experts share knowledge, answer questions, and discuss best practices. Then there is SAP Help Portal, which contains detailed documentation and implementation guides. Then there are various YouTube channels, like this one available, that break down SuccessFactors concepts into digestible pieces. Getting started, my recommendations. If you're just starting out, here's what I would recommend. Start with exploring the SAP SuccessFactors platform course that I just showed you. Then focus on one module at a time. Don't try to learn everything at once. Then join the SAP community and follow SuccessFactors discussions. Consider pursuing SAP certification once you have built a solid foundation. While we wrap up, I just wanted to say that SAP SuccessFactors might seem overwhelming at first, but remember, it's designed to make HR processes simpler, not more complicated. Whether you are an HR professional looking to advance your career, a student exploring SAP modules, or a business leader trying to understand what SuccessFactors can do for your organization, the key is to start with the basics and build from there. The beauty of SuccessFactors is that it brings all HR processes under one roof, from hiring to retiring, from payroll to performance management, and from learning to leadership development. And with all the free learning resources available, there's never been a better time to dive in and explore this powerful platform. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more SAP content made simple. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about SuccessFactors.